Now dear students, we are going to start the question answer of the same chapter Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. And the number one question is, where did the ceremonies take place? Can you name any public buildings in India that are made of sandstone? Now the answer of the question. The ceremonies took place in an amphitheater, amphitheatre. No spelling mistakes must be there while you are writing. Okay, students, clear to you? Okay, which was formed, FORMED, by union, U in capital letter, buildings, B in capital letter, buildings in Pretoria, P in capital letter. Clear? Full stop. In India, comma, we have many public buildings made of sandstone, SANDSTONE, comma, some of which are Rashtrapati Bhavan, R in capital letter, B in capital letter, comma, Red Fort, and the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi. Clear? Now second question, can you say how 10th May is an autumn day in South Africa? This autumn day is having too much importance in this chapter. Okay, pay attention to that. 10th May is an autumn day. Clear? Now your answer is, since South Africa lies in the southern hemisphere, we can say that May falls in the autumn season. Full stop. Clear? Now your second answer is complete. Now we are going to move forward. Now question 3. At the beginning of his speech, Mandela mentions an extraordinary human disaster. What does he mean by this? What is the glorious human achievement he speaks of at the end? Now your answer is, answer of third question, by an extraordinary human disaster. An extraordinary human disaster you will write down in the inverted comma and close inverted comma, Mandela is referring to the apartheid, APARTHEID, apartheid system that was prevalent in South Africa under the previous leadership. People of color were treated unfairly, and no human being deserves that. He stood against the unjust practices and finally won the democratic elections to become the first black president of South Africa. Full stop. He refers to this win as, start inverted comma, glorious human achievement, close inverted comma, full stop. Now the fourth question is, what does Mandela thank the international leaders for? Mark of interrogation. Answer is, the author thanked, who is the author? Nelson Mandela. You can write here Mandela also, okay? The author thanked the international leaders for joining and supporting them in the victory of freedom, comma, justice and human dignity, DIGNITY full stop, earlier PARLIER, comma, many nations had cut ties TIES with South Africa, S in capital letter, A in capital letter. I am telling you again and again so that this type of the mistakes can be neglected by you, okay? Because of their practice of apartheid, APARTHEID. Clear? Now fifth question is what ideals does he set out for the future of South Africa, S and A also in capital letter. Such type of the mistakes must be removed by you, okay? Note it and do this work in your fair notebook. Now answer is A is the newly elected president, P in capital letter, of South Africa, comma, Nelson Mandela, N and M in capital letter, wanted to liberate, LIBERATE, the country of all the unjust practices, full stop. He set SET out ideals for the country which was free of poverty, POVERTY, comma, discriminations and injustice, full stop. Now next question is here students I am going to give you some important questions also, and this is from that also. Why were two national anthems sung? ANTHEMS. Okay, no spelling mistake must be done by you. So write down the answer of this question. The two national anthems, comma, one of the blacks, B in capital letter should be there, and other of whites, W in capital letter, were sung symbolizing SYMBOLISING, equality and respect for the entire community irrespective, IRRESPECTIVE, of their THEIR color, full stop. Now the next answer is next question is what twin obligations, this must be in double inverted comma, does Mandela mention? Mark of interrogation, mark here. Now answer is according to Mandela, comma, every person has twin obligations, double inverted comma, comma, one towards his family and the other towards his society. Clear? Students, I am trying my best so that you cannot miss your classes. Sometimes it may happen that it may be panic for you to watch the videos during online classes. So through this video you can listen, and by listening you can write down. Okay? Clear? So your eyes get relaxed. Now question number next. What did being free mean to Mandela as a boy, comma, and as a student, mark of interrogation. These are some extra questions for your board exam, as you are going to appear for board exam. Okay, how does he contrast these डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखिए ट्रांजिटोरी फ्रीडम्स, TRANSITORY फ्रीडम्स क्लोज इन्वर्टेड कॉमा with, now again double inverted comma, the basic and honorable freedoms close inverted comma and mark of interrogation. Clear? Now write down the answer. As a boy, as a young boy, comma, and a student, comma, Mandela's idea of freedom was to be able to stay out at night, comma, read whatever he desired and go wherever he chose. CHOS, the second form of verb, chose. Clear? Full stop. On growing up as a man, comma, he realized that these were transitory freedoms. Inverted commas में लिखना है dear students. Transitory freedoms close inverted comma he was looking for because their THEIR. Now again double inverted comma basic and honorable freedoms close inverted comma had been taken away, full stop. There was no liberty to have a peaceful marriage, MARRIAGE, comma, family and life, full stop. Dark skinned, DARK dash skinned, SKINNED people were deprived of their fundamental FUNDAMENTL human rights, full stop. For them, comma, freedom was an illusion, ILLUSION, and also mark in double inverted comma, full stop. Now the last question is, does Mandela think the oppressor is free? Mark of interrogation. As we have just talked about this oppressor and oppressed in the chapter, the text of the chapter in the last para. Why? Oblique लगाना है आपको. Why not? Mark of interrogation. So your answer is, according to Mandela, comma, the oppressor is OPPRESSOR is as much a prisoner as the oppressed, full stop. As soon as the former robs the oppressed of their freedom, he himself gets robbed of his humanity, full stop. Thus, comma, he thinks that the oppressor OPPRESSOR 2 comma is not free. Okay, so now this work of your second chapter, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, has been done. Okay, note down in your fair notebook very clearly in clear writing. Okay, fair handwriting, because you are going to appear in class 10 board exam. Okay, and you must also be aware of about this listening and speaking of English, because ASL for class 10th will also be there. Okay, thank you.